the 2019 Honda HR-V. It features a continuously variable transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, a rear window wiper, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.